Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Gamma Double End and Shiny Black Pattern Acrylic Matte Ebonite Fountain Pen. And this is the description of this pen. And here, this is a very long pen here in Gamma model, and which has a double end, double side fountain pen. And this is the cap portion, and here these two are the fountain pens. And let me show that. And this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen, because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this pen has nothing like a clip or a trim set or any metal things, and the brand's name Gamma was engraved in the middle of this pen, and on the both sides here there is a breather hole is given, and here also there is a breather hole given. So this is the cap portion. On this breather hole, which prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or rub ink through the nibs. And now let me open this. This is a one side fountain pen. These are the different unique collections in Gamma. And here this has a number 4 nib, which is a gold plated one. And let me tell you the tip size after opening this. This is also a gold plated number 4 nib. This both are fine tipped one. And if you want to swap the nib, you can swap with any other number 4 nibs as you like. Since we have number 4 nibs in many brands, usually pen enthusiasts will swap with Candide nibs, because Candide Kanpur writers, they are named for their nibs. And in that we are having fine, medium, broad, and again with gold dual tone and silver plated nibs, and also flex nibs can be swapped with this pen. So the choice is yours. And for that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And so these both are similar, same pens that I'm saying about the nib, tip, and color, golden plated, and the grip portion and the body all are equal. And so now I'm going to get the diameter of this pen, and here it is a thin portion and here it is a thick portion. So let me say the both. The thin portion's diameter is 9.3 mm, and the thick portions is 10.6 mm. And the body of this pen, the body's diameter is 13.9 mm, and the length of this pen is 134.7 mm. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so we will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and turn and pull this out. And this is quite a hard thing for in Gamma pens, so you just try your best. Otherwise you can soak this whole grip portion in the soap water for some hours, and if possible you can contact us. We are having those tools. We are doing pen services also, and we will solve your problems in the pens. And after removing, flush the feeder with the help of any brush like toothbrush or anything, and wash it well with soap water or in running tap water. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So it is a Brill ink, and here it is given, clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is a unique formulation, prevents clogging and quick aids on paper. And so it is given here. And so it is clear, unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on The ink filling system here is an eyedropper one. All the threads are turned to worn out, so please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the grip portion for the ink fill. And when you fill the ink, please fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, you will get a leakage path and you will spoil your hands. And also, few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so we will get a good ink flow and a very good smooth writing. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch, and this is our usual practice. Here I'm going to give the writing sample. For today's writing, I'm going to use our Penhouse green emerald green ink. I think there is no need of changing the nibs in any pen, because these pens are writing so well. Wow, extremely smooth. Very good writing, very smooth one. And yeah, now the measurements of this pen means the entire weight of this pen is it is 43 grams. Yeah. Then if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.